Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You must be signed into an administrator account and have the file closed in any app. Once done, open File Explorer and navigate to Local Disk, C. Make sure hidden items and file extensions are visible. This prevents accidental deletion of system files. Right-click the Start button to open Disk Management if needed. Now locate the folder containing the file you want to remove and prepare to inspect permissions before deleting. Now you perform the deletion while respecting system safety. Right-click the file, choose Properties, and confirm ownership and permissions. Change them if you are the admin. If you want immediate, permanent deletion, press Shift plus Delete, otherwise use Delete to send the file to Recycle Bin for recovery. If Windows blocks you, open an elevated command prompt and run Tacone and iCackles to claim ownership and set full control, then delete. Make sure you understand why the file was protected before forcing removal. To finish, empty the recycle bin if you want the space reclaimed, and optionally run disk cleanup to remove residual files. If the file still cannot be deleted, restart into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment. This loads minimal drivers and often unlocks stubborn files. Once in safe mode, sign in as administrator and delete the file normally. If that fails, scan for malware that may lock files. Remember, before aggressive measures, back up critical data to avoid irreversible loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.